So what is the RAM of your laptop, Mithun?
4 GB RAM, sir. I have.
Okay. Imagine what is your HDD? Hard disk drive?
I'm having 500 GB hard disk.
Okay. Imagine you have a 500 GB RAM.
Okay.
So that is what it is called as in memory. So when your entire machine is sitting on the RAM, the random access memory, or it is a core processor, it is a multi-core processor. It started with dual core and then with a quad core, then with the 8x8, now it is 16x16. So now it is a multi-core processor with a massive parallel processing. So that's how the in-memory application came into existence. So it is a pretty old concept, and it started before 17-18 years. It has been existing in the market. But the best part is the entire calculation have been pushed to the DB. So normally what happens, the calculations happens at the application layer, and the data is stored in the database layer. So you know WebDin Pro, right? So you develop the language or the logic in WebDin Pro. It goes to your DB and it fetches and computes the logic and give it to the user. Am I right? So your WebDin Pro is an application layer predominantly. So what happens, right? When we compute the logic in the application layer, there are a lot of load or a lot of computations happens in the application. So that phenomenally decreases the performance of the application. That has been the traditional approach. The application might be a GUI like WebDin Pro. It can also be an ERP like an SAP, or it's a IBM Dynamics, or it can be a Microsoft CRM, or it can be any application. So what happens, right? Your database is traditionally an RDBMS. It's a relational database management system, which is designed by EH Cord. So what happens, that there has to be specific rules a database has to comply, like Oracle, like DB2, Microsoft SQL Server. Have you heard about these databases? Have you heard about these databases?
Sir? Hello?
Have you heard about Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, IBM?
Yeah, I heard.
Okay, these are all, you can call me Krish, no problem. Okay, these are all RDBMS, a traditional relational databases. Okay, so HANA is different. It is not only a database where the calculations are pushed at the DB level. It is also an in-memory database. It is also a combination of hardware and software. And more than anything, it is a platform where it can host the applications. So this is what is SAP HANA. To summarize, HANA stands for High Performance Analytical Appliance. It is a columnar DB. It is, it pushes the calculations to the DB itself, and it is a combination of hardware and software. Okay, so you can just go through the slide where it shows the building blocks of SAP HANA. So SAP HANA is an in-memory computing engine, where it supports a real-time analytical solution and also replication mechanism. It is mainly designed for high-performance systems. For example, when you want your database to be phenomenally fast when compared to the other database, that's when HANA comes into picture. So it accelerates the performance, and it's phenomenally faster than other database systems. Any doubt, feel free to interrupt me, Mithun.
Okay.
So have you seen SAP HANA screen?
No, sir. No.
Okay. I'll just show you so that you will also get to know. 1 second.